Hey Rockstar! Today I'm unboxing the JBL BandBox Solo and giving you the full set list of features, so you're all tuned up to take center stage with 18 watts of power at your next gig. Let's crank it up! Before you can start rocking out, you need to unbox the JBL Solo first. When you open the box, you will find the Solo and a quick start guide. The Solo has 4 buttons: Power, Bluetooth, Preset, and STEM AI, and a control knob with a center push button, USB-C and headphone connection on the back, and a 1/4-inch input on the side. To begin jamming out, start by powering up the Solo. Then you can connect the Solo to your phone. If it's the first time you're using the Solo, Bluetooth pairing will activate automatically. If another device is already connected, you can manually pair the Solo by pressing the Bluetooth button. You can now find the speaker listed on your phone to make the connection. Next, you can use the Solo directly to start practicing, but to get the most out of the product, we recommend you use the JBL One app. Scan the QR code on the Quick Start Guide to download the app. After downloading the app, you're all set to start rocking out. We already have the app installed on this phone, and we're ready to go. Do make sure that your battery is charged. You can charge the battery via the USB-C port. A fully charged battery will last for about 6 hours of playtime. You can use the Solo for learning and practicing guitar, to sing along, and to jam with music by removing instruments via the built-in STEM AI tools. First, we will dive into learning and practicing with the guitar. If you have an electric or acoustic guitar with a pickup, start by plugging it in via the guitar input. Next, tune your guitar. Long press the Preset button to enter the menu and press the Select button to activate the tuner on the Solo. Now turn the tuning pegs on your guitar and follow the instructions on the screen on top of the Solo to make sure you're tuning the strings correctly. The screen will confirm when the string is in tune. If you're using an acoustic guitar, no worries, just follow the same steps. For the more adventurous guitarists out there are many different tuning options supported, including open tunings. These can be found in the tuner section of the app. If you want to choose different guitar sounds, you can use effects and amp models to really dial in the tone you want. That applies to electric and acoustic guitars. You can find a sound that suits your needs by pressing the Preset button and then by turning the knob on the Solo or by using the app. Furthermore, you can also design your own sound in the JBL One app. You have a multitude of effects to choose from. You can tweak them individually and chain them to create a sound that you love. Happy with the sound? Save it as a preset. The preset can easily be activated by turning the knob on the Solo until you reach the preset. JBL BandBox Solo is also great for singers. Just plug in your mic to sing along with your favorite tracks. Using the app, you can even adjust the pitch of the music in real time to suit your vocal range. You can also add reverb and delay to the microphone for a richer sound and adjust EQ settings to get the right balance. There are also additional advanced settings for changing the input gain to accommodate different microphone types. Phantom-powered microphones are not currently supported. The Solo uses AI to split a song into separate stems so you can mute specific parts like vocals, drums, or guitar and practice along with the track. To get started, play your audio through the Solo and press the Stem AI button. 3 icons will pop up on the screen, one for guitar, one for vocals, and one for others. Turn the knob to select the stem you want to mute, then press the knob's center button. You'll hear the selected part drop out instantly, and you're ready to jam.
You always take me to heaven.
If you want to practice a new song, just keep the guitar track so that you can listen and follow it. After you get confident playing, long press Stem AI to invert the Stem AI settings to play along with the song with guitar removed.
You always take me to heaven. You always take me to the other side of the track. You always take me somewhere. Then I tilt my head like a dog that doesn't understand you're gonna be coming back. Let's get grooving. Yeah, you gotta get grooving.
You can also use the app to remove individual stems and control how much of each you want to take out. Just follow the on-screen steps to remove the stem you need. To get the most out of your solo, dive into the full range of music tools built in or in the app. Long press the preset button to enter the menu and select the metronome to practice keeping time and tighten up your rhythm. By using the app, you can get access to the drum machine, which has many different built-in drum styles covering various genres for easy jamming and practice. You can change the time signature and the speed to match your playing style. Now onto the looper. We have 3 modes. One is a freeform looper, one plays the metronome, and one plays the drum machine. Freeform mode lets you record and play back a section of music directly on the solo. You can build your own backing track by layering a guitar riff or vocals. This is a single-track looper with up to 60 seconds of recording time and infinite overdubs. If you start and stop the looper from the app, once your bass loop has been recorded, you can trim the silence at the beginning and end and then commence with overdubbing. In metronome and drum modes, you have the option to set the time signature, speed, and number of bars. You will hear a countdown before the loop recording starts, and the looper will automatically stop recording at the end of the loop, up to 60 seconds in length. Are you ready to share your music with the world? Connect the Solo to a PC or laptop and use third-party software to record your playing. The Solo acts as a 2-channel USB audio interface with the 1/4-inch input on channel 1 and the built-in microphone on channel 2. You can record all music that you create on your own, but not any music streaming through Bluetooth. Sometimes, you may want to practice without disturbing your family or friends. BandBox has you covered. With a headphone output, when plugged in, the speaker will mute, and you will be able to hear all the great effects through your headphones. Using the same output connection, for a bigger sound, connect the Solo to a PA system. Simply connect the headphone output to a larger speaker for bigger sound and experience all the same great effects and tools. You will get a notification from the JBL One app when there is new software available. Please check whether your mobile phone is a USB-C phone. If yes, please connect to the Solo with a USB-C to C cable for data transmission, and follow the instructions in the app for upgrade. If you use a Lightning iPhone, you cannot upgrade the Solo with a USB cable directly. Please download the software package from the app notification to a USB flash drive, and please make sure the USB flash drive is formatted to FAT32 before use. Insert the USB flash drive to the USB-C port at the back of the Solo and follow the app instructions to complete the upgrade process.